How can you fix if your connection is just lost while you were watching Prime videos on your Apple mobile phone here? So this video is all about how can you fix your connection error with Amazon Prime Video here on your mobile phone. So firstly, we just have to check that our phone is connected to a better network connection, that is maybe your Wi-Fi connection or maybe your mobile data connection. Any connection that will need to be perfect or the best to run your Prime application here on your mobile phone, because these type of streaming application takes a lot of data and they need a better data connection to promote this video on your iPhone screen. Firstly, just make sure that you have updated that. After that, you just have to find your Prime video here on your mobile phone like this. Tap it for 3 or 4 seconds and here you will see a lot of option here. Firstly, we just have to go on the setting option of our iPhone here like this. In setting, scroll down and click on the general setting option like this. After that, click on iPhone storage here, and this is my iPhone storage. You can see there is 96.7 GB is already used in my mobile phone. So whenever you will scroll to the down, you will see there is a lot of application here. You just have to find your Prime video here like this and click on the offload application. It will lead all the documents and extra type of data or junk files will be cleared from this application. Background will be refreshed and your application will restart. That is the only thing, and that is the only setting by which you can just solve this problem inside your application or inside your mobile phone iPhone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any type of question, query or confusion regarding any topic, just drop that topic into the comment section. We will separately make a video on that. Keep watching, keep loving.